Hello everyone, welcome to Vishnu IAS Academy YouTube channel. So in the previous session we discussed basic concepts of coding decoding, how to remember alphabets forward direction, reverse direction and reverse space. Just if you remember the three basic concepts, definitely we can answer all type of coding decoding questions. So I hope everyone is clear with the last session type of questions, and let's see some other different type of questions from coding decoding. So definitely all these models whatever I am covering in this particular classes, definitely very important, because I am explaining all the models according to the previous year questions of UPSC CSAT paper 2 without missing. Just observe all the models, definitely you will get full clarity how to answer in a simple way. Let's take some different type of questions in a coding decoding 2, that is different letter coding questions are another important. In the last session we discussed same letter coding, so we seen some previous year questions also, and here we will discuss some different letter coding questions. Whenever we are getting different letter coding questions, so what you have to remember, mainly we have to follow some particular steps in a proper order, then only we can answer very easily and a simple way. So whenever you are getting questions are based on different letter coding, in this different letter coding, first you have to observe the logics in the same position or same place logics we can call. Clear? Same place logic. Clear? For example, cat is coded as, clear, D, B, like this. If you have same position logics, means you have to check only in the same place, that is same position logic. That type of questions also we will get if you observe 2020 paper or 2016 paper. So most of the questions are related to same position logic. Clear? And second one is we can take as a cross logic. See, always examiner frames questions based on these three patterns mostly. If these three patterns not working, we will go with some other miscellaneous concepts also, miscellaneous logics also. First we have to focus these three basic ideas we have to understand. Same place logic, cross logic means, for example, same word if you take, cat is coded as U, B and D. Same logic, but we are writing in a cross side. This is a cross logic type of questions, right? So we will discuss these type of questions also. Let's, another one is if these two are not working, division logic. So total number of letters we have to divide. In the last session we solved some questions, or even 2016 pattern question also related to division logics. The number of letters they will divide into half of. For example, if number of letters are even, for example 6 letters are there, they will divide 3 letters. If number of letters are odd, they will divide. For example, if number of letters are 7, first they will divide 3 and middle letter 1 we will get. So these type of questions we will get. These are the three basic ideas in the different letter type of coding questions. You have to check in this order. If these three will not work out, we have to focus on miscellaneous concept. In this miscellaneous concept, the most important thing is gradually increasing order according to alphabetical sequence. In the last class we discussed how to remember alphabet numbers, maybe forward order, maybe reverse order. So they can give increasing order, +1, +2, +3, +4 like that, or only even numbers they can increase, +2, +4, +6 like that. And decreasing order also we are getting sometimes questions. So in a decreasing order, so -1, -2, -3, clear, or whatever, +1, +2, +3, we are taking increasing and decreasing order. And alternate logics also they can take only even number, only odd numbers, or sometimes only prime number series. Like that we will get questions, or sometimes direct coding questions related to reverse numbers or reverse space. So all these type of questions we will discuss very clearly using this pattern. Now let's see one question, very simple way how to answer this type of question. The teacher is coded as in this way. How is children is coded? How teacher is coded? First we have to observe. Teacher is coded as U, F, B, D, I, F and S. So just you have to understand what is the pattern and what is the logic here. So whenever we have like this, so here if you observe, first check same position logic according to alphabetical sequences only. Generally we will get logics. T number is a 20, U is a 21, generally the +1 pattern. And similarly E is a 5, FE6, again plus 1. Verify for all the letters, definitely plus 1, plus 1, plus 1 should be there. So if plus 1 is there, C, D, H, I, E, F and RS, so plus 1. Similarly for the children also, what is the logic you will get directly? D, I is 9, 9 plus 1, J, and L 12, 12 plus 1, 13. Similarly we can write for all the letters R, S and E, F, O. So like this we can answer the question. But what is the pattern? Just you have to understand. Very simple type of questions you will get. Just if you remember all the alphabets, forward, reverse and reverse space, you can answer all these type of questions. Let's understand one other question here. Madras is coded as O, C, F, T, C, U. If you observe this, what is the pattern? First you have to understand. Actually M is 13, O is 15. If you take direct same position logic, it is a plus 2, 13 plus 2 is 15. Similarly A is a 1, C is 3, again we have plus 2. So examiner can frame plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, any number they can take. Always they don't give only plus 1, only plus 2, only plus 3. So we have to ready for anything, just we have to observe the pattern. Even if you observe 19 plus 2 is 21 for anything, so we have the same logic. Similarly apply the same logic for Bombay also. B2, so 2 plus 2, 4, we will get D. So O 15, 15 plus 2 is 17. But in the exam, no need to write everything. You have to eliminate the options because we have option. Based on options, we have to eliminate by seeing the starting letter or ending letter. So M 13, 13 plus 2 is a 15, 15 means you will get O. Similarly, B, D, A, C and Y, actually if you observe, Y is a 25. 25 plus 2 is a 27, but actually 26 letters are there. 27th letter we can take A directly, so we cannot get confused. Clear? After Z we can start A, or before Z you can take, before A we can take Z also. Minus 1 means. Clear? Now like that we have to answer different type of question. So one more question, if you observe, what is the logic? We'll try to understand. INACTIVA is coded as HMZB SHUD. If you observe all these letters, particularly what is the pattern, just try to understand. I is 9, H is 8. Very simple. So directly it's a minus 1 logic is there. N 14, M 13, minus 1 logic is there. In all the places if you have same minus 1 logic, directly you can go with the question, directly try to answer. So are you getting the same logic? Definitely we are getting the same logic. So minus 1 pattern is following. We already know that all the letter numbers, directly go to the C. C minus 1 you will get B. Based on the options we can eliminate. O is 15, 15 minus 1 is a 14. Similarly 13 minus 1 12 and 16 minus 1 15. Similarly 21 minus 20 and next to 20 minus 1 S and E, D and R, Q. Like this we can answer any type of question, just if you remember alphabets and all these things. Clear guys? Now one more question, if you observe, a mother is coded as SFIUPN. And what is the logic and what is the pattern? If you identify that pattern, answering questions is important, only patterns are important. What type of patterns regularly we are getting? If you observe M13, O15, but if you observe here 19 is there, are you getting? It's the same logic. Here we have F, this is F. So F means actually 6. Are you getting the same logic here? It's not following the same logic. If it is not following the same logic in the same place, we can check the cross logic. I already told different methods. Cross logic, if you observe 14, 13 to 14, what we are taking? Plus 1. Similarly, observe the for R2 19 also. R is actually 18. 18 plus 1, again plus 1 is there, 19. Similarly, it is following the cross logic, E to F, H I T U O P. Similarly, apply the same logic for given word answer. Clear? If you are writing the answer directly, no need to note down anything in the exam. Directly we have to eliminate the options. Elimination methods are obviously very, very important. R plus 1, yes, you will get starting. E plus 1, F you will get. W is 23, next you will get 24. Next similarly, S 19, you will get 20. And N 14 and 15 you will get. A and B you will get. Simple. So once you know all the alphabets and all these numbers, very clearly you can answer. Let's try to take one more question, same model. Children is coded as, we have P, G, T, F, N, K, J and E. In this case, how this word is coded, just again important, only the pattern is, what is the pattern? If you observe same place, if it is not working, we can check only cross logic, C3 and E5. If you observe what is a common pattern, are N14 and P16, we have +2 pattern is there here and here. And for remaining letters also observe 5 and 7 +2, RT, DF, LN, I and K, H and J, all are +2 pattern. Similarly, apply the same logic for this one, +2, +2, 7 +2, 9. You can take I starting, N +2, 16, and I, 11. Similarly, D, 6. Clear? Similarly, A +2, C. Similarly, E is 5, 5 +2, 7 is G, and L12, 14 you will get, and P18 you will, P16 and +2, 18 you will get R. So like this we can answer any type of question just if you know the patterns. So patterns are very, very important. Just I am covering all different models, whichever questions regularly we are getting in UPSC preliminary CSAT paper 2 exams. I am covering all the models, no need to worry. But just if you follow all these classes regularly in Vishnu IAS Academy YouTube channel, definitely you can score very, very good marks in a CSAT paper 2. Let's try to take one more question here. What is the logic here? Just try and understand. Consult is coded as V, M, U, S, D, P and O. In this case, what logic it is following, just you have to understand what is the pattern. So what's happening here, just we have to see. And C is actually 3 and T 20. Any common pattern is it's following, just we have to understand here. Clear? See, if you observe same position logic, if it is not working, you can check only cross logic. Even if it is not working cross logic, what we can do, you can divide, right? But what pattern it is working, if you observe, T is 20, here V is a 22. It is going +2 pattern, but is it working or not, we will see. But next to L12, here we have L12, M is a 13. So again +1 is there, but if it is not working, you can go for other logics also. See, even we are not getting common difference. Even if you take C2O, also it is not getting common logic. So better check alternate logic. If any alternate logic is working, maybe if you observe in the middle letter S is in the same, S is not changing. If S is not changing, any other logic is working, we have to check. So division logic I told. So total number of letters, how many are there? 7 means odd. If odd number of letters are there, middle is a particular different logic. It is not changing, 0. And remaining things, what happening, we will see. If you observe C to D is a +1. Similarly, O 15 and it's a 16. Again +1 is there. And N2O again +1 is there. So first half of letters we are writing second side with a +1 logic. Similarly, the second half obviously we will write second side, first side, second half, the first side we are writing that is +1. Just U2 V +1. Clear? Now L to M, T to U, all are +1 again. This is the so division kind of logic. Same logic if you apply for routine. What happens? T must be in the same place. T is not changing according to the logic. If T is not changing, so what we have to do? This first half we are writing this side with +1 logic. So R 18 +1, yes. O 16, O 15 +1, 16. Next to U, V you will get I, J, N, O, E, F. Like this you will get the logic. Simple. We have to understand patterns in coding, decoding. Coding, decoding is a very, the basic type of question in a reasoning. Now let's take one more question. Translate is coded as D, S, Z, K, U, E, S, Q, Z, M. In this case, what logic it is following, just we have to understand. The same logic we have to apply for this. See, T is 20. Obviously here it is 4. R is 18 and it is 19, but same position logic is not working. Maybe if cross logic is not working, here it is 20 to 13 and here 5 to 4, difference is different. So definitely this logic may not work out. If cross logic is not working, what we can do? Same division logic can apply here. For example, how many letters are there? So 4 and 4, 8 and middle one, total 9 letters are there. But how this logic is following? The first 4 and last 4 if you divide. So middle one actually S to U. S is actually 19, U is at 21. So what we are doing here? Plus 2. Middle one plus 2 logic we are taking. The remaining what we are doing here. If you observe, T minus 1, 19, minus 1 logic we are taking. R minus 1, A minus 1 is Z. Similarly, N minus 1 M. So first half we are writing second half side, but minus 1 logic we are following. Similarly, this also obviously we are writing this side, but how we are writing? The last letter to first letter we are taking. And similarly, T to S, A to Z, L to K. Like this, the same pattern we have to apply for microwave. If we have the same logic, so middle letter is plus 2, obviously. So middle letter is actually O here. So O is a 15, O plus 2, E, you will get 17, Q in the middle letter. Based on this, directly you can eliminate the options in the exam. So you can take Q in the middle. But in the second side, how you are writing? The first place to plus place only we are taking M plus M minus 1. So M is 13, 13 minus 1 you will get 12. Similarly, I minus 1 H. Next we have C minus 1 B. And the last one R minus 1 17. Similarly, the first half what we are writing? The second half letter words we are writing first side. But how we are writing? E should be in the first place. Clear? E is a 5. 5 minus 1 again we are taking. D should be in the starting place. So based on starting place, middle place, end place, we can eliminate the options in the exam. But how we are doing, that is just I am explaining. V minus 1, 22 minus 1 is 21, U. Next A minus 1, obviously we have to go with the Z. Next last one is a W, is a 23 minus 1 is 22. Like this we can answer this type of question, very simple and easy manner. Now let's take the one previous year question in this model. In 2018 we got this question in CSAT paper 2. Very simple and easy manner we can answer this type of question. But what is the pattern? Just understand here. Clear? Mumbai is coded as this way. What is the code for Delhi? Clear? So how it is writing here? Just observe L, S, J, X, V, C. How simple questions they are giving. Just whatever models we covered just now, all the models similar to this. But whatever models we are taken, this is one of the important model. Just understand what we are doing. All same position logic is working. Just we'll check. M is 13, L is 12. If you take same place, minus 1 is there. But here E is 21. Here S is 19. What is the pattern here? Here we are taking minus 1. Here we are getting minus 2. Clear? So 19 plus 2 is 21, or 21 minus 2 you can take 19, but minus 2 logic is there. M is 13, J is 10, obviously minus 3. Maybe it is increasing decreasing order kind of pattern, but minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and minus 6. I 9, 9 minus 6 is a 3. See? So this pattern is following. So what we are doing, simply minus 1 to minus 6 we are doing for given word. Similarly, for Delhi also we have to do same thing, but elimination is important. Elimination is important because options are there. This is the previous year question. Directly you can eliminate, but no need to note down all these things in the exam rough sheets, but you can eliminate. But what we are doing in first minus 1 means obviously you will get C. In all the options it is starting with C only. But or you can go with the last. So how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters means, so 9 minus 5. So 9 minus 5, what we will get here? So 9 minus 4, 5 you will get 4. 4 means what letter you will get? D. In which option last place we have D? Only one option is there. Directly you can go with that option. Very simple. So no need to do anything. Just eliminate the option. This is one of the previous year question in this model. Very simple. Now if you observe another question here. Airtel is similar pattern. Airtel is coded as BKUXJR. See what is code for another word, we can find out anything. Just understand this pattern. What is the pattern here? A1, B2. What we are doing here? Maybe plus 1. I 9, K 11. Again we are taking plus 2. Similar to this previous year question, minus 1, minus 2, minus 6, up to minus 6 we are taken. Just we are increasing plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4 like that. Clear? If you take L12, 12 plus 6, 18. We are getting here plus 6. So we are increasing plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6. Similarly, for Indian also we have to apply same pattern, right? I plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10, J it should be, N plus 2, 14 plus 2, 16, and D plus 3. So D is a 4, 4 plus 3 is a 7, is a G, and similarly I 9, 9 plus 4 is 13, M. Similarly A plus 5 is 6, F, N 14, 14 plus 6, 18, so on. Like this we can note down all the codes. But this is a similar pattern. We'll take one more question. Hyderabad is coded is in this way. And what is the code for this? How is Hyderabad is coded in this way? Just observe all the letters particularly. N S B W V I Z Y Z W. If you observe all these letters particularly, if you remember whatever reverse space I told in the starting session, so definitely you can answer this question. Directly observe H S B Y D W, all are reverse space. If all are reverse space, directly we can apply reasoning also directly reverse space. I R E V E Z H S L O M N I R M N Z T. There is a code for this given word. So direct reverse pairs are there. Based on this, we have to answer these type of questions. We'll take number letter coding is also very, very important. But these direct questions are related to so alphabetical sequence, forward numbers or reverse numbers. That's it. No other important thing here. So driver is coded as in this way. And what is the code for grapes or whatever word? First understand what is the logic is there. So what logic is there? Directly D is actually 4. R is 18, I is 9, V is 22, E is 5, R is 18. If you observe in the code also, we have all the letters are repeating. Similarly, it's a direct coding. All the whatever letters are there, that letter numbers we are taking as it is without changing. Sometimes the examiner can give any mathematical operation type of questions also, maybe addition, maybe subtraction, maybe multiplication or anything. Now, so pedestrian is coded as in this way, and what is code for this? Just understand. How it is coded: 7 5 4 5 1 2 9 1 9 and 5. Whenever we have like this, all these numbers are related to alphabetical sequence. Numbers are not. We have to understand first that. Clear? If you observe, E is 5 as it is there. E is D4 is also there, E is 5 is there. In some places it is changing and A1, but sometimes it is changing in the sense, sometimes they can apply digit some logics also. For example, P16, 6 plus 1, 7. So always examiner intention is we have to take a code in only in single digit. To take the code in single digit, wherever we are getting more than 9, right, wherever you are getting 2 digits, we have to add to get the single digit. Based on that pattern, if you go, S is 19, 9 plus 1, 10. Actually, we have to take single digit. Again, 1 plus 0, we are taking 1. Based on that logics also, we can take T20, 2 plus 0, 2 only. R18, 18, 1 plus 8, 9. Okay? N is 14, right? 14, 4 plus 1, 5. This is a digit sum logic. These type of questions also we can expect. Observe. This question we already discussed, but in 2020 we got this question. In the previous videos I already explained all the 2020 type of questions in the reasoning and basic maths question. Every question I given proper explanation. You can see this particular question. Just why I again inserted this question here means you should have idea what type of questions we are getting in the exams. So whenever we discuss the coding decoding, so you can answer all these questions very, very simple way. Just understand GHI. For complete solution, you can watch the previous videos of mine in Vishnu IAS Academy YouTube channel. You will get complete solutions of all the questions, right? So GHI is coded as 1578. But according to this condition, we have to consider A to Z 1 to 26. That is alphabetical numbers only. I already explained how to remember. But G7, H8, I9. If you multiply all these things, you will get, multiply with 2, you will get this number. But complete solution, you can watch the previous videos in Vishnu IAS Academy playlist. In CSAT paper 2 playlist, you will find all the videos, the previous videos. If you are not watched the previous videos, compulsory we have to watch. If you follow regularly, definitely you can score very, very good marks. Right guys, we'll see another model from coding decoding, that is direct coding. So direct coding questions are very simple. With this single question, you can understand every point very clearly. But what is a coding in the direct coding? What type of pattern we are getting here? See, parent is coded as this one and child is coded as this one. They given another word to find out the code for this one. So reprint. Direct coding means if you observe all these letters, if available in the given two words, you can directly copy corresponding codes for this particular thing. For example, if you observe REPRINT, all these letters available or not, just check here. RE is there, PR is there, INT is there, INT is there. All these letters are available in the given two words. So that means we cannot find out any particular pattern. There is no any particular logics. Directly you have to copy that one. So that is called the direct coding questions. But these type of questions also we got in kind of CSAT paper 2. We'll see one previous year question also. But if you observe, what is the answer for this RE? What is the code here? R is the third and fourth place. You can take directly FG. Directly you can copy here. Next to PR. P first place is a B. R is a third place. Clear? You can take again F. Clear? Reprint. REPR. INT. I you can take from this. So if you take I, third place what we have? X. ENT again we have here, that is J and K. Like this we have to copy. These type of questions we will take as a direct coding. Let's see one previous year questions from this model. If you observe, Raman is coded as this one. They can give numbers also. Letters, numbers or even symbols also you can get in this model. Clear? This one is coded as this one. And what is the code for HAMAM? Observe HAMAM available or not. If you observe, H is there, A is there, M is there, again AM is there. So all these letters are available. Directly observe that codes. What is the code for H? Observe, last 9 should be there. Similarly, you can observe, or if you take M, what is the code for M? Third place 3. The last place 3 should be there. These two eliminated directly, you can go with this. Another thing is last but one, we can take A. So what is the code for A? Second place 2 should be there. So direct answer is only B. You can take like this. So very simple how to answer these type of direct coding questions. I hope everyone got the clarity. So total in a coding decoding we covered all different type of models, including basic, all different models I explained with the basic concepts, as well as we taken some previous year questions of CSAT paper 2 also. I hope everyone got the complete clarity about coding decoding. If you want to get for more topics from reasoning and quantitative aptitude, if you want more videos, let me know in the comment section. But regularly if you follow Vishnu IAS Academy YouTube channel, definitely you will get these type of concepts for every topic in UPSC syllabus. Whatever topics are there, every topic I'll explain very, very clear manner. Definitely if you follow regularly Vishnu IAS Academy YouTube channel, definitely you will get more marks very, very easily. But don't forget this guys, from Vishnu IAS Academy we are providing UPSC perfect prelims 2021 test series. So in this test series you will get the best classes, best explanation for every test, and in the test series we are giving every question so in the UPSC level only. So we don't give very, very basic questions, completely according to the UPSC standard only we are giving the questions. For every question, for every test we will explain in a proper way. And if you want to register, you can register very, very quickly. If you register early, you will get additional discount also, but the fees is this one. But if you want to know more details, you can contact 9977679927. You will get full details here. But if you are watching the first time Vishnu IAS Academy YouTube channel, so please subscribe this particular channel. You will get regular updates without missing any class or without missing any session. You can watch. If you watch regularly, you can score very good marks in CSAT paper 2. If you score more marks in less time, definitely you can spend more time your preparation for CSAT paper 1, that is General Studies 1. Definitely it is very, very important thing in to clear CSAT or to clear prelims exam in UPSC level. So these things are very important. So don't forget to subscribe and share to your friends also. For them also it will be very useful. Thank you friends. Thank you all.